Banana varieties around the world you must try. Bananas are one of the most loved fruits on earth, but what many people don't realize is that there are hundreds of varieties, each with its own taste, texture, and story. Today, we explore unique banana varieties from around the world that you absolutely must try. Cavendish banana. The Cavendish banana is the most widely recognized banana in the world. It is grown in tropical regions across countries like Ecuador, the Philippines, and India. This is the banana you usually find in supermarkets, bright yellow, smooth, and mildly sweet. What makes it interesting is that almost all Cavendish bananas are genetically identical, making them vulnerable to diseases. Despite that, it remains the global favorite due to its consistent taste and long shelf life. Red banana. Red bananas are mainly grown in Southeast Asia, India, and parts of Central America. They have a reddish-purple skin and a softer, creamier texture than the Cavendish. Their flavor is slightly sweeter with a hint of raspberry. What's fascinating is that they are richer in nutrients like beta-carotene and vitamin C, making them not only delicious but also highly nutritious. Plantain. Plantains are very popular in Africa, the Caribbean, and Latin America. Unlike regular bananas, they are usually not eaten raw. Instead, they are cooked, fried, boiled, or baked. They are less sweet and more starchy, almost like potatoes. An interesting fact is that plantains are a staple food in many countries, playing a major role in daily meals rather than just being a snack. Blue Java banana. The blue Java banana is truly unique and often called the ice cream banana. It is mainly found in regions like Hawaii, Southeast Asia, and Fiji. Its skin has a bluish tint when unripe, and its flesh is incredibly soft and creamy. The taste is often compared to vanilla ice cream, which makes it one of the most exciting bananas to try. It's a perfect example of how surprising nature can be. Ladyfinger banana. Ladyfinger bananas are smaller and sweeter than regular bananas. They are commonly grown in Australia and Southeast Asia. Despite their size, they pack a strong, rich sweetness and a slightly tangy flavor. What makes them special is their thin skin and firm texture, which makes them less mushy and more enjoyable for those who prefer a bite-sized fruit. Burro banana. Burro bananas are mainly grown in Mexico and parts of Central America. They are shorter and thicker than common bananas with a squared shape. Their taste is quite unique, slightly tangy and lemon-like when ripe, but starchy when unripe. What makes them interesting is their versatility. You can eat them raw or cook them, and they are often used in both sweet and savory dishes. Manzano banana. Manzano bananas, also known as apple bananas, are popular in Central and South America as well as the Caribbean. They are smaller and have a firmer texture. Their flavor is a mix of banana and apple with a slight hint of strawberry. An interesting fact is that they ripen faster than most bananas and develop dark spots quickly, but that's when they taste the sweetest. Goldfinger banana. Goldfinger bananas are grown in regions like Honduras and other parts of Central America. They were specially developed to resist diseases that affect common bananas like the Cavendish. Their taste is slightly tangy with a hint of apple flavor, making them quite refreshing. What makes them interesting is their strong resistance to pests and diseases, which could make them the banana of the future in global farming. Nendrin banana. Nendrin bananas are widely grown in the southern part of India, especially in Kerala. They are larger, firmer, and have a distinct golden yellow color when ripe. Unlike regular bananas, they are often used for cooking, fried into chips, or steamed for traditional dishes. An interesting fact is that Nendrin bananas are commonly used in baby food because of their high nutritional value and easy digestibility.